Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for anyone who wants to keep their home pest-free, especially from those pesky silverfish. If you're looking for an effective solution, look no further than the Silver Fish Elimination Kit. This is truly the best silverfish repellent packets for your home. The Silver Fish Elimination Kit comes with 24 silverfish packs neatly packed in a single box, providing you with a comprehensive pest control solution. What sets this kit apart is its eco-friendly formula. So, not only are you taking care of your silverfish problem, but you're also being kind to the environment. It's a win-win. Using these packs is straightforward. You simply place them in areas where you've noticed silverfish activity, like in your kitchen, bathroom, or basement. The design of the packets makes them easy to conceal, ensuring your home remains stylish while effectively keeping pests at bay. But that's not all. The kit also includes premium USA supply gloves, designed with resist technology to protect your hands during application. Safety is a priority, and these gloves ensure you can handle the packs with confidence. And for those who might not be familiar with silverfish, there's also a handy pest identification card included. It helps you identify these pests and understand their habits, making it easier to prevent future infestations. Now, you might be wondering, why silverfish? These little creatures thrive in damp environments and can be found in places like your attic or pantry. They feed on starchy substances, including books and even wallpaper, which makes them a real nuisance. With the Silverfish Elimination Kit, you're not just dealing with the symptoms, you're addressing the problem at its source. Many users have found that they start seeing results quickly after using these packs. The eco-friendly formula effectively lures and traps silverfish, reducing their population in your home without harsh chemicals or harmful residues. It's all about keeping your living space safe for you and your family. In summary, the Silverfish Elimination Kit is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to eradicate silverfish from their home. With its eco-friendly formula, convenient packs, protective gloves, and informative pest ID card, this kit offers everything you need for effective pest control. So, if you're tired of sharing your home with unwanted guests, consider investing in this kit. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep your home pest-free.